If you've ever wanted to design websites like a pro, today's your lucky day. I've got some killer CSS tips that will revolutionize your approach. Keep watching. You won't regret it. Let's get started. First, create a new folder on your computer where we'll keep all our project files. Let's name it Codeverse Lab. Next, open Visual Studio Code, the code editor that we're going to use, but feel free to use another code editor if you prefer, and simply drag and drop your folder into VS Code. Now you've successfully created your project. Inside this folder, create two files, index.html for our HTML and styles.css for our CSS. Let's quickly break down our hero section's HTML structure. First, we have the class hero container, the main wrapper that holds everything together. On the left, the class hero left features a class cover for our image and a class h2 for my name. Below that, the class social icons contains links to my social media, inviting connections. On the right, the class hero right showcases a welcoming tag h1 and a descriptive tag P about my skills and projects. Finally, the class CTABTN prompts viewers to get in touch. This layout effectively combines personal branding with a clear call to action, engaging visitors right from the start. Now let's dive into the exciting part, our CSS. I'll break down the key properties that make this design come alive, ensuring you understand how each element contributes to the overall look and feel. Let's get into it. We start by importing the Roboto font from Google Fonts, giving our text a modern touch. A global style approach ensures consistency by resetting default browser styles, making everything easier to manage. We also use the margin property to eliminate unwanted space around elements, keeping our layout clean. Next, we move to the body section. Here we apply our font family and set a light background color, creating a clean, welcoming atmosphere. Properties like display, justify content, and align items are crucial in centering our content both vertically and horizontally, making sure it stands out right away. Now let's discuss the hero container. This section utilizes a grid layout with two columns, allowing for a responsive design that adapts well to different screen sizes. We set a maximum width and added padding to ensure our content doesn't touch the edges of the viewport, enhancing readability. In the hero left section, we use Flexbox to stack elements vertically. The cover image features a background blending effect, adding depth and visual interest. We apply padding to give breathing room around the text and center it nicely within the container, ensuring the text alignment is visually appealing. Moving on to the social icons. Each icon is displayed in line with a slight margin for spacing, and we've styled them to change color on hover, providing an interactive effect. The background color and border radius give a subtle button-like appearance, making the icons more engaging. In the hero right section, we've styled the heading and paragraph for a clear hierarchy. The button features a vibrant background color, making it stand out as a call to action. We use padding and border radius to create a friendly look, while transition properties ensure a smooth hover effect. Before we wrap up, if you're enjoying these tips and want more awesome content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us grow our community and brings you more valuable tutorials. Finally, we ensure our design is responsive to media queries. As the screen size decreases, we adapt the layout to a single column and adjust padding and font sizes for better readability on smaller devices. This guarantees a seamless user experience, regardless of the device being used. And there you have it. We've successfully created our design using some powerful CSS properties. What CSS property are you most excited to use in your projects? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep coding like a pro.